prop I've been anticipating all year long for a good Leatherface, and here he is. From Party City, I finally got it. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre Leatherface from Techie Design. Let's open him up, set him up, and see what he does. So right off the bat, you see his creepiness and his pole box. I can't wait to set this up, I'm so excited. He comes with his shoes, his module, his shirt, his pants, his creepy face. Look at that. And this is the best part, it's actually a leather face. Yeah, it's a latex, but the detail's amazing on this thing. Can't wait to set this up. So we got pretty much his poles set up with his shoes. Pretty simple setup, nothing too crazy yet. You know, you got your A, B, and C poles. Pretty big poles, so it's not a lot of poles you gotta set up. Yeah, it's looking like a pretty simple setup for now. So let's get on with the rest of it. So I found a part that may trick some people out. These springs, the springs, are supposed to come all the way down and hook right here. Excuse me. Right here. Like that. Same with this side. I just gotta kind of pull some arm strength here and just put them in. And then you got his head up there. It's all like one piece, really. And you put the shoes and the clothes. So a common mistake that I always do is put the clothes on last. Put the clothes on first over the poles, then you attach the module with the head. So do what I did. Yeah, these guys go first. Here he is all set up. Guys, this prop is amazing. He's huge. And he's so realistic. He is terrifying. The chainsaw is pretty good quality. It doesn't move, but it's, you know, a hard plastic. And yeah, this guy's so worth it. $325 at your local Party City. Can't go wrong. Got the blood stains, you got the tie, the bloody shirt. The arms are so cool, and you have the bracelet that he wears in the movie. His hair's accurate. Everything's accurate about this prop. I'm in shock. Yeah, Thrashing Clown over there, watching around. But this guy, he's amazing. So let's power him on and see the almighty Texas Chainsaw Leatherface. He is amazing. Such a great quality prop. His breathing. His body shakes. And a great pop-up action. Highly, highly, highly recommend. The detail is amazing. The hands, the arms. Incredible prop. that wraps up this video on Leatherface. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I absolutely love this prop. I have his volume off. His mechanism is not that loud as I thought, but you can have it on no volume if you want no volume. Amazing, amazing prop by Party City. Just comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.